So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio in CapCut. So for example, right now I have a horizontal clip on CapCut which I would, for example, like to use on TikTok or Reels. So I need to change the aspect ratio. So I just need to click on the clip which I would like to change the aspect ratio of, and just go to this little ratio corner here, click on it and just choose either a preset format or you can just choose a custom format. So for TikTok I am going to choose 9:16, and basically as you can see right now it's really small and it doesn't fit the whole canvas. So what you can do is just hold one of these corners and just drag it until the desired size. You can also click on the clip and just drag it right or left to be able to change the size. Once you don't see the corners anymore, you just go to video, basic, and you can also change the size with the scale. Alright, so all in all, this is how to change aspect ratio in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.